My babe, please don't forget to looking for.
We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna.
Good morning, my loves. Welcome to yet another vlog. If this is your very first time here, my name is Ritabile, but I am known as Ritabs, and thank you so much for tuning in. If you are regular, welcome back, my babe. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and click the bell button to be notified every time when I upload a new video. So today is the new day of a new vlog. I just woke up. As you can see, I'm a little bit swollen. Yeah, so I just woke up. I want to wash my laundry, and I'll just see what I'm going to do. Other things that I'm going to do, I'm not sure what I'm going to do, but I'm not planning of going anywhere today. I just want to wash my laundry, and I might as well wash my makeup brushes. Or maybe tomorrow, I might dedicate tomorrow for washing my makeup brushes. And also, ever since I bought my makeup chair and bag, I've never cleaned them or washed them, so I'm thinking of doing that as well. So yeah, tomorrow I might wash my makeup kit, but today it's going to be my laundry, my personal stuff. Yeah, I think that's the best thing to do. So I lost my lashes, and I only got these lashes on Sunday. Today is Tuesday. I don't know why, but it's fine. I'll just I'll just fix them later today. So yeah, let's catch up on the next clip. Bye. yet another day in the vlog. I know I haven't vlogged in a while, so like I'm being discouraged, to be honest, by, I don't know if it's a network or what's the problem, but I tried uploading my a vlog. I think that vlog, it's been out, or it's been ready 2 weeks back, so I'm trying to upload it without any success. Chrome is giving me problems, so that is kind of discouraging me a little bit, but it's fine. So today I'm going to the mall. I'm going to try and get myself a tablet, because I think it's what's going to work for me to upload, and also for my work, my school work, and again for business purposes. So yeah, it's not going to be something for my personal use, but for work and school, yeah, and content creation as well. So yeah, let me show you my OOTD. I'm going to take myself pictures. As you can see, I have my tripod on me. I'm going to take myself pictures, and that's when you're going to see my OOTD. So the t-shirt that I'm having is from Temu. The pants are from Clothing Junction. Accessories obviously from Mr. P. So yeah, my shoes are from Jet. So yeah, so let's go shopping. I hope I get the tablet that I like. I don't want an expensive one. I just want a tablet that can work for me, nothing major. It's not like I'm going to use it to capture content or everything. I already have a phone for that. I just want it for uploading, for Netflix again, and for work and school work, business and school work. Yeah, I hope I'm making sense. So we'll catch up on the next clip. Bye.
Throw off the rules like our shoes on the golden ground. Sway in the autumn leaves. You are beautiful when you look at me. Can you feel my love? Can you feel my love? Oh, 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 oh. Can you feel my love? Can you feel my Stay through the change, through the way that the colors turn. Dive in with me to the deep of the orange burn, and lay in the autumn leaves. You are beautiful, and you're all I need. Can you feel my love? Oh, 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 oh. Can you feel my love? Oh, oh.
I'm currently at ShopRite. I did not get what I was looking for, the tablet that I wanted. Oh, I look dark. It's fine. Is the lighting in here? So I did not find what I was looking for. So, but it's fine. The tablet that I wanted. So, or the ones that I got are not the ones that I want, and what I wanted was not within the budget. So it's fine. I'm going to save for it. It does not need a lot, but I'm just going to save for it. So right now I'm doing some groceries at ShopRite, and then I'm done. So we'll catch up on the next clip. Bye. Hi my loves, welcome to yet another day in the vlog. It's been a while ever since I've vlogged, so let me get this call. As I was saying my loves, I'm going to collect a take a lot order. So it's currently 6:30 and they knock off at 7. So I'm going to collect my take a lot order, and once I come back I'm going to walk. So right now I'm going to catch a taxi. So yeah, it's been a while ever since I've vlogged, so let's catch up on the next clip. Maybe showing you what I got for I take a lot. So we'll catch up on the next video clip. Hi my loves, welcome to yet another and final day of this vlog. Today I'm going to end this vlog. It's been 2 weeks now, and what day is it today? It's Wednesday, I think. Yeah, I look crusty, I know, please don't mind me. I'm home, I'm relaxed, so sorry, there's no need for me to look pretty. Anyways, yesterday I couldn't vlog when I come back from the mall and even from working, because I came back very late. It was also already around 2:08 and it was dark. So I was like, I will see you guys today and show you what I got from Take a Lot. And then right now it's around 4 p.m. so I'm going to finish up my assignment before my clients gets here. So we agreed that the appointment is going to be for 5 p.m. so yeah, let me show you what I got. I just hope that you're still enjoying the vlog, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and click the bell button to be notified every time when my videos goes out. So yeah, so let me show you what I got, and I guess we'll catch up on the next vlog. Bye. So I got myself this keyboard. It's a Bluetooth keyboard. It's connected already, and then it comes with this mouse right here. It comes with this wireless mouse, and then I got myself a tablet. I've never shown you the tablet before, I know. So at Take a Lot I also got this pouch for the tablet. Yeah, I wanted to get a nice color, but they didn't have those colors, so the only color left was black. So I just got myself this black one. So yeah, it's going to be used for my business. As you can already see that it has my AI generated picture. So yeah, it has my AI generated picture, so it's for business and school related only. So plus it does not use any SIM card. It also only uses it only uses Wi-Fi. So yeah, right now I've just I wrote everything here on this book for my assignment. Everything it's in here. So the only thing for me to do is to copy everything on my tablet. So this is helping me to to type, easier to view documents, to be busy with the business documents and everything. So yeah, that's basically it. And yeah, I told myself that let me get a tablet instead of a laptop, because I already have a laptop but it is no longer working. So getting a tablet was easier for me, because it can also help me. It's something that I can also travel with very easily. So yeah, let's catch up on the next vlog.